Hello and welcome back to my family's Costa Rican adventure. I'm Luxe, and well, thanks for tuning into this video. Now, if you haven't seen the last video for day 1 and also day 0, which is the day that we came in, you should definitely watch it. But now, let's get into the summary. The summary of today, well, I woke up. My mom had to get me out of bed. I got out of bed. Had a little bit. Finished off the quesadilla that I got on day 0. Yes, it took me 3 days to finish a quesadilla, but it was large, so don't blame me. And after that I changed into some different clothes, as you can see. Nike t-shirt and some shorts. And some shorts. So, yeah. I got my backpack. My mom taught me how to close it properly so that's mostly waterproof. Sorry, I was just closing the mic box. So, back to the story. We got in the car, went to school. It was my first day ever at this school, so yeah. We did math. Well, first we had a morning assembly, said a few things. Well, I didn't sleep too well all the night of day 1. So, and I don't mean the night leading up to day 1. I meant the night leading up to day 2. Sorry, just fidgeting with something. Just fidgeting with my selfie stick. It's always nice to have a fidget. Anywho, after the morning assembly, we did math. I got my math book. I did lesson 11. My teacher said I was allowed to start wherever I felt comfortable. Lesson 11 was squaring numbers, basically just multiplying a number by itself, which I feel like it would have been easier. Never mind. And square roots. I had only done a single square root question before, so yeah. Then I moved on to DOL, daily oral language, I believe, if it is. So yeah, and then I did. I didn't fully complete math. I'm allowed to just move on. So I moved on to DOL. I've already explained what that means, daily oral language. So, yeah. And, then it was snack. I got some cucumbers and popcorn because I like cucumbers and I like popcorn. Double win. And then I did a little bit of art. Well, after that I just messed around, tried to climb the tree that was in the area. I should mention that this school is pretty much you're pretty much always outside. So I got really sweaty after a little bit. And, well, there was a ton of stuff. I did art, then completed DOL. Then it was time for lunch. Well, for art, the topic was drawing the invention that you want to make or something like that. I don't remember the exact wording. Sorry, just messing around. And, sorry. Then I did PE. We did this weird coin flag football thing. Basically flag football, but with a coin, and you have to, like, pretend, and you have to hide the coin. I got the final round. That blue team had the coin, and I'm like 100% sure I had a foot into the end zone, and it still didn't count as a point to blue, which is kind of stupid, considering, well, you know what, never mind. We still did it with Rochambeau. Still doesn't feel fair because it's entirely luck based. But so is a coin flip. I'm recording right now. So, well, after that I just had a little bit of free time, so I just sat down. I should mention that during lunch I learned how to climb the tree. Well, at least I learned a little bit. It wasn't perfect. Then after that, I went home. But not after saying hi to the dogs. Should mention that at the start of school I did get a little tour. Should have mentioned that. It's a very important detail. It was a pretty busy day. I feel like I never gave you the tour for this place. Yeah, I'll give you the tour. I'm sorry that I did this on day 2 and not day 1, but I was a little distracted day 1. It was a long day. This is like the living area. I don't know what that is meant to be. Window, kitchen area, bathroom. Me and my brother's room. Is Alex in here? No, he isn't. My mom's room. And my mom and brother. There's also a little outdoor area. Sorry if you can't see. Boom. There's a little dunk pool. Chairs. There's also an outdoor area by mom's. So, that's really it in this house. It's not big at all. But, anyway, back to the story. When we got back, well, first we did some grocery shopping, got some pan or bread. Pan is bread in Spanish. Pan. For those of you who don't know. Bread. Anywho, I was just myself a chair. So, this is kind of my first this is a 10-minute video, just FYI, by now, so I've made it 10 minutes long. This is longer than the first episode. Once I got back, I had a little bit of the pan with this cool mixture of olive oil, cheese, and salt. Parmesan cheese, to be specific. After that, I got me and my brother got in a little dunk pool, messed around in there for a little bit, probably a few hours. Then when we got out, well, we had a little bit more of the pan or bread. And well, a really, and we were just laying down. My mom came in. Sorry, my brother it's just my brother. So, yeah. After that, after that, well, that leads us up to now, basically. I'm gonna show us a couple of different other houses. This backdrop might change in a week or two soon. Anywho, that'll be about it for today's episode. So, if you want to see more of this series, you smash like and don't forget to subscribe. I was supposed to end it.